Ay.
Diba?
Snowing pa din. Hindi tayo dyan. Lala ang mga snowshoes. Are you excited?
I am very much excited.
I wanna dance with somebody.
Para kung okay.
Ay, ang ganda ng araw. Ay, ang ganda ng langit ito.
That is so beautiful.
I know.
It's melting fast. It's still cold at night though, so they can still make snow. Like on the ski hill.
Checking if the room is available. Dahil hindi nakapag-check-in,
Mag-hiking.
mag-walk muna kami. Saan ba to? Saan nga tayo pupunta? Engine Bridge ng Canyon Bridge. Yeah. Yeah, it's not cold. It's cold but
Tolerable.
tolerable. Slushy.
Moshi.
See? Choose me like this. Ayan. Ganda. Wintertime hiking. Trail walking. Trailing. Kasama namin si Jane. Saka si Colin. And that's the bridge. And Rocky Mountains.
Right now, maybe you can... Good afternoon. Just to kill all the mosquitoes.
Oh yeah.
It's the purpose.
Yeah, those are good.
Asan na ikaw? Wow, room tour. Room tour tayo. Yan. CR syempre una. May bathtub. May syempre joke lang yun. Tapos sa kabilang side, outfit check ka muna in the morning. Tapos merong jacket, hangers, bags, pero kami dito ang mga bags para mas madaling makita. Kasi aalog-alog naman kami dito sa hotel room na to. Big siya, no? It's like $230 for 2 days. May free coffee na, may microwave. Unusual, pero may microwave siya. Coffee maker, Keurig. Tapos, yan, yung fridge. Walang complimentary na na water. So, bibili tayo later.
There's free drinks downstairs.
I know, but ano yun eh. Wala. Tapos basurahan lang. Sa mga pods nila, coffee. Tapos, ano ba to? Medium roast. Same. Decaf. Yan. Walang tea. May tea ba dito? Wala. Ito, mga tea. Yung red rose. Puro red rose. So, sugar. If hindi ka white sugar, meron din sila parang Splenda. Ito yung version dito eh. Kada hotel. Mas mura ata yan kaysa sa Splenda. And then, coffee maker. Ito, lalagyan ng ice. Kung gusto nyo. Tapos, ayan, may living room area, which is nice. My workstation. And then, my TV. Tapos, queen size bed ata ito, or king size. Ganda. And then, this is your view. Ganda. Yeah. Rocky Mountains, kung hindi ako nagkakamali. Puro mountains naman kasi dito. Yeah. You can open it if siguro summer, tapos nalalamigan ka or naiinitan ka. Yan, pwede mong buksan. Tapos, yeah, ganda. Ayan, mukha na tayong hulas. But tomorrow will be our first ski experience. Yan, so I'm with Ernst and then Jane. Yan, ka-workmate namin before. And then kasama niya yung partner niya, si Colin. So yeah, sa Lake Louise Ski Lodge kami tomorrow. Call time is 6 a.m. So kaya nandito kami ng maaga. And then tomorrow, ang start ng lesson is 10:30. Ayan, so whole day whole day lesson. So parang 10:30 till 12:30, 2 hours in the morning, and then babalik ng 1:30 ng hapon to 3:30 ng hapon. Then, that's the end of the lesson. And then, siguro dinner na lang after. If not, baka dito na lang sa hotel, papadeliver. And then, hot tub after. So, beneficial yung hot tub kasi nga, exposed ka sa cold for the whole day. So, tsaka masakit katawan mo. So, okay ang soaking ng katawan sa hot tub. And yeah, ang ganda ng room namin. Kasi kita mo yung mountains. So I'll just update you later tonight or maybe tomorrow na sa ski lesson. So hopefully makapag-video tayo, but most importantly, matutunan natin mag-ski. Yan, so see you later. Hindi ko pala napakita to. Fireplace. May fireplace talaga. Ano to eh, usually pag dito sa Canada, gas. So, parang may nag-i-ignite lang doon. Tapos, ito, not sure, I think hindi siya totoong wood. Takin. So, yan. Sinet ng 5. Tapos, lumakas yung apoy. Hindi siya totoong wood, di ba? Does it?
Yes.
Parang parang hindi. Parang hindi nagbo-burn. Ayaw nga, nagbo-burn siya oh.
Nagbo-burn yan. It's real.
Wow. Amazing. Oh, titigan lang natin yung apoy. Ang init, sarap. Yan.
180s on rock. Oh, he's on my board. Who's that? You alright? There you got it. Okay.
I'll go first.
Yeah.
We'll be there sa Lake Louise again for tubing naman for just the two of us, and then and then ski pa din si Jane and si Colin. So yan. How was the experience?
Sore feet! But it's
Sore feet lang.
Masaya.
Ayan.
Exciting.
So, masakit yung lower body. Sabi ko, masakit yung lower body ko, pati yung lower back ko. Ayan, and medyo namumula kami kasi...
Masaya.
Ayan, masaya. Namumula kami kasi na sunburn. Kasi nga nakatapat sa atin. Wala dun sa rental. Walang goggles na kasama. So, yun lang.
You have the face cover.
Namumula yarn. Mistisa yarn. So, yun lang. So, see you again tomorrow.
Tubing
Yeah, tubing.
is here.
I know. Fun lang tomorrow.
Yes,
Fun tomorrow.
just fun and
Yeah.
chill.
And we'll just rest for tonight. See you tomorrow. It's snowing in St. Louis. Lake Louise. Snowing here. Heavy snow than yesterday.
We're doing the tubing day.
Ganito siya kalabo. So good luck sa mga mag-ski today. Pero sobrang ganda ng snow. Diba? This is the parking lot. Okay. Mas maganda dito magpunta kapag super early kahit di pa bukas yung ski lodge. Kasi mauna ka sa parking. Yan. Wala pang masyadong cars. Tapos, ayun, si Jane tsaka si Colin nagre-ready na kasi mag-ski sila for half day today. And then kami ni Grace or ni Ernst tubing today. Pero they'll be joining us later this afternoon for the tubing as well. Parang half day lang sila ng ski kasi nga ma-overwork din naman sila. So, yeah.
So pag bumili ka, ikaw pipili.
Oo. Ikaw pipili. Igaganituhin mo. Kailangan yung level niya nakaganan. Hi,
Instructor.
Ganito kailangang level. Ganito siya.
Not too much people. Still early.
Punta ulit.
I know, right? But the first time is different.
Jay.
Alam mo naman.
Akala mo naman
Ay, para short.
I know. Ganito kasi feeling ng first time. Alam mo yung ganun?
Kasi sabi ni Colin, sabi, sino sa tingin mo yung masyadong, yung mas, yung malakas or ano. Sabi ko parang si Raika, parang sabi ko si Grace, hindi masyado. Tapos nung nakita ko kahapon, hey! I said, it's opposite. Sabi ko,
Kasi pictures ako sa kanya.
ikaw.
Mas risky. Alam mo kahapon.
Kaya naalala ko, Leo ka pala.
Yes, girl. Alam mo yan.
Kaya sabi ko sa kanya, ay okay, now I forgot. She's
Yeah.
Leo.
Energy drink?
Chilling lang.
We need
10
energy
a.m.
for
pa yung
today's video.
10 a.m. pa yung bukas ng tubing. Hindi pa siya ready. Pakita ko. Doon kami, doon yung tubing part. Sa Bundy Hill? Doon kami kahapon. Wait lang. Yan, much better to. So, itong part na to, dito kami nag-lesson. Nag-start kami doon sa pinakadulo sa taas. Yan, yung part na yan. Hindi yan ganun ka-stiff tulad nitong ganito. Mas mabilis ka pag dito. Tapos ito, carry. Yung tubing, itong part na to. Whoop. Yan. Antay lang nga yung magbukas. Tapos, go na kami. Etong meeting place na to, kung may lesson ka, yan, yung ski and snowboard school meeting place. Diyan kayo kapag private lesson. Ito, private lessons. Tapos ditong part. Ito yung mga kung level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 yung program na reservation mo or yung lesson. Yan. Diyan kayo mag-aantay. Meron kasi parang early. Yung sa amin kahapon is 10:30, so we have to wait. Exactly 10:30 dapat nandiyan ka na. Kung hindi, baka hindi ka na nila makonect sa instructor mo or baka may ma-miss kang mga lesson. But yeah, that's the whole. This is the ski lodge. Dito kayo pwedeng mag-stay, mag-rest. Tapos, itong part na to, so yung nakikita niyo yung mga ganyan. Yan. Diyan nyo pwedeng iwan yung mga, anong tawag doon? Ski, snowboard, yung mga poles. Yan. Tapos, hindi naman mawawala yan. Hindi sila ganun dito. Safe yan dito kasi mga by size naman yan eh. So, tsaka hindi talaga. Kasi, walang magnanakaw, no? Walang magkukuha ng ski dito. Tsaka ng poles mo. Kahit iwan mo siya dyan the whole day. Meron ding mga area na pwedeng pag-iwanan ng mga gamit for free. Ano lang siya, open siya, hindi siya locker, wala siyang locks, pero open lang. Tapos iwan mo lang dun yung bag mo kung meron kang extra bag, kung meron kang dalang gamit or food, yan. Pwede palang magdala ng food, pero hindi naman siya like written rule, ganyan. Pero parang, syempre, hindi nila pinopromote na magdala ng food. Tapos, ito yung mga gondola papunta sa iba't ibang mountain hill. So, merong 1, 2, 3. Tapos, di ko alam kung saan papunta yung mga yan. Pero yun, ganun kataas doon. Doon hanggang yan. So, tignan natin kung makikita natin. Yan. Meron ilan-ilan. Yan, ganun kataas. Ganun kataas. Tapos, meron pa daw yan. Meron pa ata doon at the back of this mountain. Sobrang taas. Sobrang stiff na yan. Pag beginner, ito yung green. Ito yung Bundy Hill. Mga for learners. Yan. Tapos sabi ko nga, yung tubing dun sa dito sa kabila. Yan. Kaya kahapon, nung nagla-learn kami nung sideways, nakakatakot kasi pwede kang mag-slide dun sa parang conveyor ng tubing. Ito conveyor ang tawag dyan. So yung mga syempre mag-ski, magpupunta dun sa Bundy Hill, pinakataas. Yan. Yan yung sasakyan niya. So ayan na yung mga magpo-private. I-assign kayo or ipapakita naman or ipapakilala kayo sa trainer nyo. So, ito, wala pa tong line na yan kahapon. Sobrang daming tao kahapon. As in, parang 3 lines yan kahapon. Pero ngayon, medyo konti yung mga guests. Kahapon may nakilala kami, taga Texas. Taga saan ba yung isa? Yung Mugs? I think Calgary. Alberta na lang. Pero yung isa taga Texas pa. Yan. May iba ding mga Pinoy na talagang marunong na piling. Gulat ako. Okay. Starting na daw yung tubing. I think inaakit pa lang nila yung tubing. Inaakit pa lang nila yung mga tubes. Ayan o. Pag naka-red, instructor. Ayan. Maya-maya tubing na kami. Where's the sun? Ooh, ganda. Nice. Tubing.
I'm turning around.
Bigat ka. Snowing. We're going tubing. Ito kami kahapon.
Hi. Salamat na ano dito.
Jane is here and also Colin at the back. And then Ernst is there. Let's go.
So if I let it go, it means...
Then we
Scared?
I'm scared!
not at all. Excited.
Yeah, we go to the trees. I'm gonna scream my mouth for sure.
You are not.
I will.
From here or
Oh yeah,
never hang
Bye.
on tight or we're done.
Hold on. Bye.
I'm not going because I don't trust her.
Whee!
she's not scared.
No,
love
she's
Teddy.
not.
That's one of my favorites. But I do understand now, fully, fatigue is when you're skiing and you're fatigued, it's horrible. It is
We
horrible.
felt that yesterday.
Yeah, well, the thing is like
The lunchtime
yeah.
sesh.
The thing is, if you're up on the hill, you've got to get down.
Yes, of course. You have
It's
no
like,
choice.
oh my god, I'm too tired. Is everybody okay for food? Like, should I just keep going to Calgary then?
Yeah,
Yeah?
yeah.